Welcome to our unboxing and review of the Moulinex HV8 Plus 4-in-1 meat grinder. This powerful and durable meat mincer is designed to make your kitchen prep easier and faster. With its impressive 2000W motor, the HV8 Plus can handle up to 2.6 kg of meat per minute, making it ideal for daily recipes like homemade meatballs, Bolognese, burgers, and even Kibbe. Its 4-in-1 versatility comes with 4 accessories, including 2 stainless steel grids for coarse and medium mincing results, and additional tools for shaping sausages and Kibbe. One of the key selling points of the Moulinex HV8 Plus is its ultimate performance and convenience over time. It's equipped with a transportation handle, cord and accessory storage, and a safe reverse system that prevents accidental engagements. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, I'll share my honest opinion after testing it out. Plastic meat grinder pusher. Plastic meat tray. Meat grinder screw mincer auger in high-grade stainless steel material. High-grade stainless steel T-frame with wide nut. Large handle on main grinder body for easy transportation. Button for unlock T-link. Push button for on-off and reverse. Moulinex HV8 Plus 2000W motor block motor power, made in France. Easy to store knife, grids, Kibbe, and sausage accessories can be stored in the appliance body. 3-piece disc stainless lattice mincer plates, disc diameter 54 mm, hole diameter 1 piece 3.0 mm, 1 piece 4.7 mm, and 1 piece 7.5 mm. Mincer Kibbe accessory. Sausage cone or nozzle for sausage. Self-sharpening mincer blade. Three-pin plug. Stay tuned as we deliver an honest review, highlighting both its strengths and areas for improvement, so you can decide if this meat grinder is right for your kitchen. With a 2000W motor, the HV8 Plus claims to deliver ultimate performance, handling up to 2.6 kilograms of meat per minute. Processing lean beef is seamless and efficient, producing smooth, consistent results in minimal time. With pork and other fatty cuts, there are occasional clogs that require the reverse system or manual cleaning. While this isn't a deal breaker, it's worth noting for users who frequently process high-fat meats. The Moulinex HV8 Plus 4-in-1 meat grinder is a valuable addition to any kitchen, especially for those who frequently prepare meat-based recipes. While it shines in most areas, minor challenges with fatty meats should be considered. Overall, its power, versatility, and convenience make it a worthy investment for home cooks and professionals alike. Thank you for watching our unboxing and review of the Moulinex HV8 Plus 4-in-1 meat grinder. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Review and Adventure Hub. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on our honest product reviews and kitchen gadget unboxings. See you in the next video.